Let's try the water. Oh, and yeah, a little bit chilly for my taste. What about this? Oh, this is warm. Wow. Lovely. This is perfect. Here is a gym. I'm not going inside because there's lots of people there, but it's pretty nice. Lots of machines, as you can see. And here we have another pool. Let's try again. Oh, it's cold! Interesting, I would expect this to be warm. Really nice and quiet. I think like even too quiet. Here is the restaurant. Pool bar. What is upstairs? Let's go and check it. Tennis VIP and parking. And let's go up. Okay, you can book these private cabanas, 15 euros, and with some bottle of cava and fruit plate, 30 euros. To be honest, nothing special. I guess if you want privacy, that's fine, but otherwise I don't really see a point. Let's check the tennis court if I can find it. I actually like these balconies. It's kinda huge. Lots of walking in this hotel. You can park your car if you come with car, and there is There is tennis court. A little bit oldish. I don't even know if someone using that or not. Location of this hotel is absolutely perfect. It's like 5 minutes walk from a beach. Oh, check this, guys. Some of the rooms they have like a whirlpool bath. And I don't know, it's not really private in this part of the building. Yeah, what I was saying, its location is really good, 5 minutes from the beach and maybe even less than 5 minutes from the strip with all restaurants, bars, etc. You can order full service if you want. Restaurants are closed now because it's too early for dinner and too late for a lunch. But nice. What we have here, some information, I guess. Yeah, painting workshop every Wednesday. Ceramic workshop every Tuesday. So every day is something. This is really nice viewpoint of the hotel. You can take a picture and tag the hotel on social media. One minus at the moment, spa over there is under construction, so you can't really use it. You need to pay if you want to use spa anyway. It's like I think 12 euros, not like a massive amount of money, but unfortunately it's closed now. Another sitting area here. Nice. Some awards. Vendor machine.